Okay, today's project is we're going to be adding a shutoff valve to my duplex because there's a water leak somewhere and I need to find out if it's between the main line and the house, and there's no shutoff valve in the house right now, so gonna crawl under the crawl space and put one in so we can test and see where the leak's at. Okay, we're in the crawl space. Had to go through that little hole, and we're gonna add a shutoff valve right onto this 3/4 inch copper. So I'm gonna cut some of this back and try to catch as much as I can on this bucket because it's gonna get wet down here. Okay. I'm gonna cut this back. I don't want to nick the pipe either. No idea what this cable's for. Must be for some other cable for the TVs or something. So this just pushes on. Some more water. It's not that bad. So all the water in the pipes is going to come down into that. I don't know if I'm...
up on better.
There we go. Okay, that should be fully seated.
You don't have to seal it or anything?
No, they're just pushed to connect, so they're good to go. All right. This is gonna be the moment of truth. How do I look? Oh, it's been 20 minutes. Still look good. Oh my god, my knees hurt. My thighs are giving out because I'm on the tip of my toes right now. But I think we should be close. As long as this doesn't leak, we're done. All right. Let's put this back right here. See it? Okay. All right. Where's my phone? Go over there. I'm gonna call you right now.
Okay.
So you can open it. Open it slowly.
Yeah.
You'll go halfway, and then if I say we're good, then just keep going all the way.
All right.
All right, I got it on.
All right, and start turning it. Yeah.
It's going.
Tell me when you're halfway.
I think I'm halfway right now.
Keep going until it's fully open. All the way open?
Yeah. It's horizontal when it's all the way open, right?
What's up?
It's horizontal when it's all the way open?
It turns on? I can hear it. You're good.
It's halfway actually. Sorry.
There, you're good.
I'm halfway right now.
Oh, you're halfway? Okay, keep going until it's all the way open.
Okay. Alright, it's all the way open.
Okay, perfect. Looks like it worked. All right, you can come back. All right. I think we're done. Go all the way around. Don't feel anything wet. Okay. Oops, I'll turn it off. Okay, then I'm gonna turn it off. All right, looks good. And that's on. All right. Hey, oh my God, I'm blinding myself. Can't even see myself. All right. Ooh, I think we're done. Next step is calling the fucking water company.